Today, I'll be doing a vitamin-infused anti-aging facial for my client with mature skin, inviting in calm, relaxation, and skin recovery from sun exposure. I chose to use vitamin C products for this treatment to repair and smooth the skin, and along with promoting smoother skin, the vitamin C is known to provide aging support and help her skin recover from the effects of the sun. Vitamin C is a key ingredient that I love to use in facials to assist in brightening, repairing, and smoothing out skin irregularities. I'll be starting off this facial in the first cleanse with Sorella Apothecary's Apricot Mango Cleansing Milk, which is a creamy, calming cleanser that revives dry and dull skin and gently removes any makeup and dirt. It's infused with apricots, mangoes, and potent vitamin C to smooth the skin and brighten the complexion. It's perfect for anyone who prefers a gentle and hydrating cleanse, and it's smooth yet very effective. After working the cleanser into the skin on its own, I like to add a little water to the cleansing milk. This formula is going to revitalize the texture of the skin, reduce visible signs of aging, and it's going to give the skin the appearance of deep hydration, and it's quenching the skin with essential vitamins. For the second cleanse, I have my steamer heated up and I'll be applying that to the face to help hydrate the skin, add some relaxation to the treatment, open the pores, and to increase the effectiveness of the products that'll come next in the treatment. Steam is also going to be helping to boost collagen and elastin production. I'll be using Image Professional Skincare's Vital C Hydrating Facial Cleanser. This is a creamy and hydrating cleanser that removes impurities, and this one is also going to quench the skin with essential vitamins and antioxidants. It infuses the skin with vitamins A, C, and E to boost radiance as it cleanses, and this creamy formula is going to leave the skin soft and refreshed. I love that it's not stripping away the skin's moisture and that it's enriched with vitamins to support healthy and radiant looking skin. Next, I'm going to exfoliate her skin using the ILUMA Intense Brightening Exfoliating Powder, which is a water-activated micro-exfoliating powder that'll help with a brighter, more even tone complexion. It gently polishes and buffs away any dead skin buildup, and it's brightening and illuminating the skin. This exfoliation is also going to be prepping her skin for all of the products that'll come next in the facial treatment. I'll be gently working this product into her skin for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once I've removed the product with facial sponges, I like to use a warm steam towel to remove any excess product, to open the pores in preparation for any extractions, to discharge any oils and advance collagen and elastin production, and of course for the relaxation benefits. I also like to enhance the experience with a few drops of a calming essential oil for the aromatherapy benefits. After doing a skin analysis under the lamp and magnifier, my client has beautiful skin and doesn't need any deep extractions, but I am going to unclog a little congestion that she has in her nose area. First, cleaning and prepping the area with Dermalogica's multi-active scaling gel, which is a high pH alkaline gel that'll open the pores, which is perfect for extractions. And then cleaning the area afterwards with Dermalogica's post-extraction solution to provide healing and anti-inflammatory benefits. Now it's massage time. Take a deep breath, relax, release any tension, and surrender to healing, peace, and calm. We carry so much tension in our faces, So this part of the treatment is going to involve massaging key facial muscles and pressure points like the jawline, cheekbones, and forehead. Just doing this for a few minutes is going to increase blood flow, reduce puffiness, and keep the skin looking fresh, youthful, and fine line free. Most people hold a lot of tension in their face. When we feel stressed out or tired, or we concentrate too hard, we tense our forehead and eye area, which can cause wrinkles over time. This is also going to release toxin buildup, boost collagen, improve product absorption of the mask that I'll use next. But skincare benefits aside, this type of massage can be just as good at relieving emotional tension as it is calming muscle tension. She's going to leave feeling more relaxed and at ease after this treatment. I'm using Dermalogica's massage cream, which is an oil-based massage cream that's lightweight and provides a nice glide. I chose to mix the massage cream with a few drops of Chamomile Essential Oil, which is amazing for relaxation, but also good for the skin. It's soothing and it also provides powerful anti-inflammatory and calming properties. It's a nice oil to use for soothing the complexion, and if you have skincare concerns like rosacea, irritation, acne, or any other skin concerns, chamomile oil is a beautiful natural remedy to calm your skin. For my client's mask, I'll be using Sorella Apothecary's Peach and Honey Mask, which tightens and firms the skin with a combination of essential antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals extracted from some of my favorite ingredients like peaches and honey. Peaches tighten pores and brighten the skin, while the honey plumps, repairs, and hydrates. This mask is going to leave the skin feeling hydrated for hours and will rejuvenate and repair aging skin. This month at Beachbum Wisdom Studio, I'm infusing all of my facials with 24 karat gold. So I'm layering the peach and honey mask with a custom 24 karat gold mask for the added anti-aging benefits, firming, lifting, brightening, and calming the appearance of the skin while providing an opulent glow. I'm going to let that mask set for about 10 to 15 minutes. And while that mask is setting, I'll be inviting in more relaxation with an upper body, shoulder, arm, and hand massage. Since this is the final step of product removal, I'm going to pay careful attention to making sure that any remaining product is gently removed from the skin. I'm also going to use one last hot towel to remove any remaining product. I'm going to finish off this facial infusing her skin with more vitamin enhanced products, starting with Image Skincare's Vital C Hydrating Facial Mist. This product is a facial mist, so you could just spray it directly onto the skin. But if I notice that my client is in deep relaxation and I don't want to startle them with the mist, I'll spray it on a cotton round and wipe it on the skin. This facial mist is a lightweight mist, leaves the skin feeling soft and with a dewy finish. It's going to help shield against daily environmental stressors like the sun, and it has a citrus scent that smells amazing, and it's perfect to lock in hydration and give the skin an instant pick-me-up. Next, I'm going to be using Image Skincare's Vital C Hydrating Anti Aging Serum, which is a product for all skin types. It's a high-potency serum. It helps to support elasticity and to fight environmental damage. It has hyaluronic acid, which is going to help lock in the hydration and to support the look of plump, bouncy skin. It contains multiple forms of vitamin C to help brighten the skin, to fight visible signs of dullness, aging, and fatigue. I also use the Vital C Hydrating Eye Recovery Gel, which is a light cooling eye gel that's nourishing. It's full of antioxidants and peptides that are going to help to reduce dark circles, puffiness, fine lines, and wrinkles. This product is perfect for tired eyes. It helps to brighten, hydrate, and refresh the eye area while also giving those nourishing benefits of the vitamin C. To moisturize her skin, I'll be using the Vital C Hydrating Intense Moisturizer. This is a rich, nourishing, high emollient cream that's going to replenish the skin with hydration and shield against dryness. It contains natural orange peel, so it feels and smells fresh and energizing and is amazing to finish off this treatment. Of course, a Beachbum Wisdom Facial wouldn't be a Beachbum Wisdom Facial without locking the moisture in with my Sacred Glow Ritual Facial Oil. This facial oil is a restorative and skin nourishing blend of the best non-comedogenic vegan oils that deeply conditions, restores, and feeds the skin's barrier. This luxurious blend is going to help boost collagen production and elasticity and will instantly infuse moisture and radiance into the skin. It's good for all skin types, even sensitive skin, and it targets concerns of dullness, fine lines, wrinkles, loss of firmness, elasticity, and redness. Lastly, I'll be moisturizing her lips with Image Skincare's Ormidic Balancing Lip Enhancement Complex, which will instantly hydrate her lips, make them feel rejuvenated and naturally full.